This is Keny the Handyman here. This time I'm going to show you how to clean battery acid off of your battery terminals. So this one has a lot of acid corroding on the terminals, and I'm going to just loosen it up with the first. Okay. And then always wear protective gloves and goggles. And all I'm going to use for this is just a mixture of baking soda, good old Arm & Hammer baking soda, with some water, and then I'm just going to pour it on here. You can see this mixture here is just going to dissolve, neutralize that acid, and it's actually going to work and just foaming it up pretty good here. And that's just slowly neutralizing battery acid. And then it's a good idea to have garden hose by to kind of like be ready to rinse this stuff off, because it's pretty corrosive when it starts coming off. You can see it's chemical action here eating away at the acid. Took quite a bit off already. Do another application. And if you look at it, you can see it's just foaming up, just dissolving it. I think I'll put some more on this one too. No, it's not as bad. And then once you got most of it dissolved, I use some kind of a brush, one that you can throw away because this acid's not good. I'm just going to throw away this whole barbecue grill thing, and I'm going to scrape it off. Let's get a little more of that dissolved. I took quite a bit of it off. Scrape. Be careful that I'm doing the negative terminal. This is the positive terminal. You wouldn't want to short it out with the chassis. Scraping it more acid on there, and then take your hose and thoroughly rinse underneath your car, because you don't want that acid sitting down there. I got this loosened up. Apply a little bit more. Let it sit for a few seconds, and rinse it off again. You can see it's still eating away at a little bit of it. Pretty clean. I'm going to do it a few more times, but that's basically how you do it. You neutralize the acid.